make money in the up market, you become rich in the down markets. What does he mean? It's two options: puts on the way down, shorting on the way down, or buying these assets at severely depressed prices as the rest of the world panics. And that's how people get rich. I remember back in 2020, everybody panicked. Bitcoin got down to 3,000. I bought like 10 Bitcoin at that time. That Bitcoin, I'm a millionaire off of that one move. Put in 30. I was a millionaire before that, but I'm saying I made $1 million off of that one move, right? I could have became $1 million off of that one move. And I did it in live time. Back then, I used to trade live online. I showed people right then, look, I'm putting 10 Bitcoin, buying $3,000, and I said, you should too. Everybody panic. Oh, it's going down to $60, $50. And the chart readers always mess it up. Look, man, the drawdown, they always mess it up. I think it's going down lower than it is. Somebody said Bitcoin was going down to 30,000 or something. That's not going to happen. So what happens, I put it in now, that 30,000 turned into $1 million over 4 years, 5 years. That's not 4 years, 4.5 years. And that's what you do, is that you take advantage of times like this. So a lot of people are asking about altcoin season. We were close to it, but this hack, especially with altcoins, and Ethereum is the leader altcoin, it's going to cause it maybe to slow down a little bit. ETFs are selling off. It's a rough time right now, but it's also a time full of opportunity. Like I said, there's a lot of things happening. So let's take a look at some of these cryptos. Everything's down. XRP's down 13% at Jasper Coin. I'll look at that next time. With Doge go back up, Doge will more than likely go back up. What are your thoughts on ADA? I like Cardano a lot. I think ADA is going to do well. But remember, we have to get through this time. Bitcoin and Ethereum, those are the market leaders. As long as they keep going down, everything's down. Like I said, is that we may be in a short-term crash. We could draw down 30%. That'll put us at about 78, maybe 80,000. But I don't think we're going as low as 70, but we could get in the 70s. Like I said, I'll be buying all the way down. So we'll just have to watch it and see what happens. Nvidia conference call is at 5 o'clock today. And if Nvidia's call does not go well, the whole crypto market's going to crash. Whole stock market's going to crash. SoundHound, Palantir, and Nvidia will all be affected. So I'm telling you this ahead of time so you won't panic. Yes, it will. Everything's going to crash if Nvidia, the call does not go well today. And what I mean by don't go well, it doesn't go well, is that if they don't exceed expectations, if they meet expectations, the market's going to crash. If they fall below expectations, the market's going to crash. If they beat it a little bit, the market's going to crash. All those are degrees of crash. So it's going to be a rough couple of weeks, man. That's how the markets are. One person told me I talk about XRP a lot. And a guy came to me online, he said, you talk about XRP a lot, man, nothing's happening. And I'm like, XRP went from 35 cents to $3, but it got up to $3.80, I think, in a matter of 3 months, and it retracted to $2.20, and it just held there, held around $2, $2.20, $2.50, to high at 20, high $2. And you say nothing's happening? Remember, is that investing is 95% boring. Nothing happening, everything's still. You only get a few days a year where everything's exciting. Everything else is boring. We just watch the market. If you watch the market, it's like watching grass grow. Nothing's going to happen. You're just going to sit there and watch it. Then you're going to go about your day, go to work, and all of a sudden, it's going to be up 30%. And you cheer, and everybody's happy. Then that excitement starts to draw down, and then it happens again. It's not exciting most of the time. We got 1,200 people in here. Need you guys to, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel and also like the video. We got the Hive Mining CEO coming on at 11 o'clock to talk about where the market's going, where miners fit in this market. Because a lot of you have been asking, why are the miners behind? Because they are behind. And where he sees Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Frank is coming on, one of my good friends. He's going to talk about all of these things. We're going to have a quick discussion so you guys can get a lot more insight in the market.